After Bitcoin rallied above $50,000, we have seen some altcoins rally together with Bitcoin, and we have seen some altcoins stuck in limbo and not moving at all. Hedera Hashgraph is one of those stuck in limbo, but there's something massive happening in Hedera's chart. In this video, let's take a look at one of the most bullish setup for Hedera Hashgraph. Before looking at Hedera Hashgraph, let's take a quick look at the crypto fear and greed index for the general market sentiment. On the fear and greed index, we are currently at 76, and this is considered extreme greed. So I would expect a little bit of a pullback or correction for the crypto market in general as we are getting deeper and deeper into the extreme greed phase. Now let's quickly look at Bitcoin. On Bitcoin's chart, we see that Bitcoin managed to break above the resistance zone, sitting in between $45,000 and $50,000. This resistance zone over here, or supply zone, held us back for a long time, but we have managed to break above that. And at the moment, Bitcoin is again trading in another resistance zone over here, in the red box over here, or I don't want to call it pink, but in this red box over here. From the VPVR, we see that a high volume of Bitcoins were traded in this region in the past, right? So we should expect Bitcoin to struggle to break through this resistance zone, right? Just as we did over here, right? So when we first tried to push through this resistance zone in the past, we see that Bitcoin went through a little bit of a consolidation first, right? So I expect Bitcoin to go through a little bit of a consolidation before heading up, or maybe we'll pull back a little bit before going back up again, right? But let's go to the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin really quick before looking at Hedera. So let's go to the 4-hour chart, and from the 4-hour chart we see that Bitcoin is Bitcoin's price has managed to break above the ascending wedge pattern, and this pattern is usually a bearish indicator, and I have my bearish price target sitting at about $53,000 or $54,000. But we see that Bitcoin's price is actually trading above the pattern, right? And this is highly bullish for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin manages to push above this, then this will be very good for Bitcoin. But there are a lot of indicators. Let me bring up some indicators. So there are a lot of indicators showing that Bitcoin is overextended, right? The RSI shows that Bitcoin is massively overly extended, is overbought. And the MACD shows a possible reversal. The squeeze momentum also shows that we are losing momentum on the positive upside momentum. It will be better if we pull back a little bit and then head back upwards, right? So on Bitcoin's chart, we see that Bitcoin is currently trading in a major resistance zone, sitting in between $55,000 and $60,000, right? So I expect Bitcoin to struggle a little bit in between that. We'll probably have a little bit of a pullback to $53,000 or $54,000, and probably push back after that, right? But now let's look at Hedera Hashgraph. Now for Hedera, we see a giant cup and handle pattern on the chart, and this cup and handle pattern can be found in many altcoins that have already rallied up, right? So when we look at Phantom, when we look at FTM, let me type that really quick. So FTM, we see that FTM or Phantom has this same cup and handle pattern on the chart, right? And after it broke above the resistance line, so this resistance line, we see that Phantom went very bullish after that, right? Let's look at Harmony 1, and we'll see this same exact pattern, this cup and handle pattern for Harmony or 1, as some like to call it. So we see this exact pattern, right? The cup and handle pattern again over here on the chart for Harmony 1. It broke above that resistance line. It went bullish for a little bit, but it looks like it's pulling back. Let's go back to HBAR now. And for Hedera, HBAR. So if Hedera is able to break above this resistance line, then Hedera will go very bullish. And then if it does go very bullish, my price target for Hedera is sitting at about 78 cents or close to 80 cents for Hedera Hashgraph, right? But all of this will not happen. This will not happen likely if Bitcoin falls, right? So if Bitcoin's price fall below $55,000, then I see HBAR breaking lower, right? I see HBAR going back down over here to touch this price target over here at around 30 cents, right? So that is my bearish price target for HBAR or Hedera. The key price level to look at on the VPVR, we see that a lot of volume or a high amount of HBAR were traded on at the 33 cents price level, right? So that's the key price to watch for Hedera Hashgraph, right? So if Hedera breaks below 33 cents, then we should expect Hedera to pull down to be pulled down to 30 cents, right? To go touch this support line. So this support line that has been holding us for a good amount of for I would say the past month. I expect Hedera to go touch that support line. So for Hedera, we have to watch the 33 cents and 32 cents price level. If Hedera breaks below 32 cents, then Hedera would definitely go down to 30 cents. And for Bitcoin, we have to watch the $56,000 and $55,000 price level. If Bitcoin falls below $55,000, then the altcoins will follow, and Hedera will also follow Bitcoin to 30 cents or probably even lower. All right, make sure to help our brother out. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. My name is Seth and I make money videos. So if making money is something that you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, let me know what other coin you would like me to cover in the comment section.